Oh, meron tayong package. Oh, ito yung package from Rode. Hmm. Ayan, as usual mga chong, dito tayo ulit sa usual tambayan natin dito sa Robinsons Park. Kakatapos lang ng work natin. It's about past 4 p.m. And yun, 17 degrees. Sarap ng weather ngayon. So malamig siya pero kayang-kaya lang, parang Baguio weather. 17 degrees. And syempre kasama natin si My Labs, kaya lang nauna siya. So yon, midweek na naman. So we're looking forward for the coming weekend. So wala pa tayong plans this coming weekend, pero yan, syempre hopefully magkaroon tayong activity this coming weekend. Syempre nandito ang ating family, kasama na natin ngayon eventually dito sa Australia. And yun, syempre pag weekend, bonding time. And yun nga pala, so good news, the other video na share ko na Rode company will provide me a Rode Wireless Mic Pro for promotion. So na-receive na natin yung package. Kaya lang hanap pa tayo ng time kung kailan tayo makakapag-create ng video about the Rode Wireless Mic Pro. So ayun guys, meron palang good news akong nabasa sa Bridges Immigration. So isa sa mga forums to. But just a disclaimer guys, no? So I'm not in any way an expert. Merong mga proper migration agent who can provide an advice here. Pero nabasa ko lang, Google nyo guys, no? Yung Bridges Immigration website, na yung mga Filipinos ages 18 to 30 years old qualified na mag-apply ng subclass 462. So yung subclass 462 guys is this is work and holiday visa. So if I'm not mistaken guys, once you're approved for work and holiday visa, which is subclass 462, eligible kayong magstay for a year at least sa Australia. So eligible kayong mag-work and study for at least a year. But correct me guys, no? I don't know the full details. Pero nabasa ko before na there are other countries na approved na sa subclass 462 before, but hindi kasama yung Filipinos. But effective July 1st, 2024, kasama na yung Filipinos na eligible mag-apply for subclass 462. So ang nabasa ko dun sa Bridges Immigration website is, isa sa mga primary requirements is, as I've said, but when you apply for subclass 462, you are aged between 18 to 30 years old. So basta malodge nyo yung application within that age bracket, eligible kayong ma-approve for subclass 462. But in case, let's say, you turn 31, by the time na mag-decide yung immigration, pwede pa rin kayong mag-grant ng visa as long as you meet the other requirements. So the other requirements aside from the age is dapat graduate kayo ng, qualify, ang education nyo is at least 2 years. So even 2 years undergraduate, so pwede kayong qualified kayo mag-apply ng subclass 462. So based sa nabasa ko is could be a graduate diploma, of course a bachelor's degree, and yun, at least 2 years undergraduate. So yung mga diploma certificate, probably ano ba yung mga diploma certificate, like yung sa mga test na siguro, basta as long as 2 years. So, isa yan sa mga qualifications. Then, but guys, again, I'm not in any way an expert. Comment below kung may mali akong nabanggit or na-miss out. But yun lang yung pagkakaalam ko based sa nabasa ko sa Bridges Immigration post, no? And then third, aside from education, na at least 2 years undergraduate is, of course, you should have enough funds. Based dun sa post ng Bridges Immigration, at least 5,000 Australian dollars. So magkano ba yung 5,000 Australian dollars? So just do the math, guys. So yun yung initial funds na kailangan nyo, plus yung fare na magagastos nyo if you are leaving Australia. So let's say, for example, if after Australia, you'll be going back to Philippines, so more likely you would need at least yung fare for buffer, siguro at least 1,000 Australian dollars. So maybe between around 6,000 Australian dollars, yun yung possible na show money na kailangan for subclass 462. Then the third one is kailangan nyo ng English test for Filipinos kasi dapat merong functional English. So yun guys, again, I don't know the exact details, pero that's a good news guys kasi previously yung ibang countries qualified sila for subclass 462 pero hindi kasama yung Philippines. But the good news is effective July 1st, which is I think next week, so kasama na yung mga Filipinos na eligible for subclass 462, which is work and holiday visa.